Hello. First, I want to tell you thank you for purchasing your do-it-yourself onboarding client kit. I hope that is everything that you can imagine. Actually, I know it's everything that you can imagine. This is going to be a wonderful experience. I laid it out plain and clear. I gave you the resources that I use, and this should be an easy transition. If not, I'm here for the support. Shoot me an email at info@cohesiveconsulting.co. As well as I also give consultations if you need further assistance in building it, or if you just said, you know what, I just want you to do it, we can do that too. But I gave you all access to doing it yourself with your client onboarding planner. Without further ado, read it, take notes, compare it to what you already have, and implement it towards your business. And everything you do, be great, be successful, and thank you again.